Did you know that Malaysia is facing a shortage of engineers? With over 100,000 positions in industries such as aerospace, manufacturing, and electronics. That makes engineering a growing demand career in Malaysia. And that's where the University of Southampton Malaysia steps in. How, you may ask? Well, UoSM is consistently ranked among the top engineering institutions globally and is the #1 UK university in Malaysia. UoSM's engineering program ensures every graduate is prepared for the real world. With industry collaborations such as the Aero Malaysia Engineering Centre and Chensin Agriculture, UoSM equips students with the practical skills and global certifications needed to help them stand out in a competitive job market. This approach aligns with the nation's efforts, ensuring that every graduate becomes a key contributor to Malaysia's growth. You can earn a UK degree entirely in Malaysia with the 4+0 pathway, or choose the 2+2 pathway to finish in the UK.
Say the first year of degree was actually kind of tough to me at that time, but it definitely helped a lot to build up my knowledge to prepare me well for my Year 3 and Year 4 degrees.
UoSM also has world-class facilities like the Aerospace Lab, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Labs, Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence Research Center, and Mechanical Workshop. These facilities help students prepare for real-world scenarios after graduation. With the combination of world-class facilities, hands-on experience, global qualifications, and industry connections, UoSM makes sure to equip you to become an engineer in the future. If you want to know more about studying engineering at UoSM, you can check out the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more educational content like this, only on After School.